kiinteistöosakeyhtiö Mäntsälän valtakulma.
Also very nice. It's a bottom dream attraction elevator with Kone fixtures. It's on Mäntsäläntie 1 to 5.
1 to 3.
1 to 3, sorry. It's at Mäntsälän valtakulma. In Mäntsälä, Finland, Finland. It 18 purchase order, it has 350 grams. And that's when it was built.
1989.
Okay. Built in 1989. Is it? I think it's. Oh, no, it's here.
Yeah.
Well, we had a black bumper before.
Yeah.
The serial number is H65931. And we can take the lights here. It's overall.
Yeah.
I'll also try to check the yellow on the door. Not here on this one.
Yeah.
But maybe they put them more in the 1990s. Well, I'm not sure. Yes, in the 1990s it was more common that they put here on the door.
Yeah. These date by device and maintained by Kone.
I like the architecture here.
Same here.
Well, the gap could have been a bit more exciting, but it's still very nice. These lights are typical 1980s.
Yeah.
That's it, thanks for watching.
That's